Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to talk about myopia. Myopia or nearsightedness is the condition of the eyes when a person sees clearly at a near distance and at a far distance everything is blurry. Myopia is also called a spasm of accommodation, that is a spasm of refocusing. Usually with myopia, the oblique muscle of the eyes are overstrained and spasmodic and cannot unclench and refocus into the distance. Eyeball with myopia a little squeezed and extended forward. With nearsightedness -3, eyeball extended forward on 1 mm, with -6 on 2 mm. At the same time, the straight rectus muscle of the eyes are weak and not trained and cannot contract and pull the eye back to the shape of a ball, even if the brain sends signals to do this. How to get rid of myopia? Don't overload the eyes, so that the oblique muscle of the eyes will not be overstrained constantly at a near distance. Look at the far distance as much as possible with relaxed eyes, so oblique eye muscle can relax and unclench, and the rectus muscle of the eyes at this time will be able to pull the eye up to a spherical shape, and the rays of light will focus on the retina, and the persons will clearly see into the distance. Subscribe to my channel to improve your vision naturally.